All right.
This is Tim Sauder with 360 Yield Center, and we're here looking at the latest attachment that we designed to work on planters. And our goal with 360 Wave is to do two things. We want to improve the process of closing our true V, and we're also using the blade on 360 Wave to apply starter near the seed as we're running along next to that trench. So the way the 360 Wave is laid out, we're using this blade. The seed comes through first and we firm it to the bottom of the trench here at the beginning, and then the blade takes over and we're bringing moist soil off the right sidewall, peeling that out and over the top of the seed, and we're starting the process of closing as that row unit's running through your field. Then your standard closing wheels are going to come along behind, and where we've started to close from the bottom up, the bottom half of that trench, now your closing system comes along the top and pushes down from above and is able to finish closing the top half of your seed furrow. So improving closing has big advantages for us. In our plots, we're seeing anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 more plants per acre, and that's showing up in that 5 bushel plus compared to other closing systems, just by adding this attachment ahead of the closing system you already own. So both the ability to apply starter as well as the ability to improve the closing process is really what 360 Wave is all about. So we'll go ahead and take a look here at our test bench. We'll run in the sand and show you what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and move the row unit forward here and just pushing it through the sand. As you can start to look down at the front, you can see where we're firming in, and then as I continue to move forward, now you can start to see where Wave, using the blade, is bringing moist soil over from the right sidewall over the top of that seed, closing the bottom half of that trench. And then as I go ahead and start to cut this open for you, be able to see what it looks like as we cross-section it. You can start to see where the blade itself ran as I clean this out. This is the track where the blade was. Now over here on the left-hand side, this is the side of the true V that was there from the beginning. We haven't disturbed that. And all the loose soil you see here is what the blade has brought over the top of where our seed would be. So as I dig down to the bottom of the true V, right here is where you're going to find your seed, all covered up, and that process of closing started for you. And then here where the blade ran. So you can see we're about 3/4 of an inch off to the side where we're going to be applying our starter. And you can see the kind of material we're starting to bring into that seed trench, which is going to be that moist soil from down below on that right-hand side, improving both emergence, closing, and the ability to get that plant off to a good start.